Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to go and how to turn on automatic app updates on your iPhone or iOS device. First, we'll look at some apps that need to be updated and how you can manually update them while you're there. Open the App Store and on the top right, tap your profile picture. Scroll down a bit and you'll then see a list of all of your installed apps that have updates available. You can then individually select them to update one by one, or you can tap Update All to go ahead and update everything at once. But we want to turn on auto updates so that we never have to deal with this. Close the App Store and head into Settings. In here, scroll down and then tap App Store. Once inside, you'll see at the top in the Automatic Downloads section, App Updates. Tap the slider on the right to enable auto updates. Any app that has an update available will automatically be done in the background now, and you'll never have to deal with it manually again. And that's how you enable automatic app updates on your iOS device. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.